low voltage from the battery, which is here in the trunk on this one. If you have any worn out ignition components at all, they might not even work with a low battery. So very first step, check your battery voltage. I'm going to do that with my PowerMaster. It's going to tell me what voltage we have with the battery, but I'm also going to be able to tell where there is voltage in the wiring system that's in this and where there's not voltage in the wiring system. So let me get this hooked up. Looks like voltage is good. Let's see what else is going on. All right, my key's on. I'm gonna switch. Then we have a battery disconnect here. Turn that on. And let's see if our coil has power or not. So this is a positive ground. So we need to go to the negative side here. It's got voltage.